Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring power and saving work. Updates often force restarts and can take time. Once plugged in or battery above 50%, close background apps to prevent conflicts. Then open the operating system's update pane, settings, Windows Update, Software Update, or the system preferences equivalent and click to check for updates. This first action triggers the download phase. Make sure you have a stable network. Slow or metered connections will delay or block files. Proceed when downloads appear. Once updates begin downloading, watch the progress and prioritize critical security patches. They fix vulnerabilities quickly. You can pause non-essential updates if you're on limited data, but install system and driver updates to maintain hardware stability. When installation starts, some packages apply before restart, others require a reboot. Choose immediate install if you're ready, or schedule it. Make sure to allow the installer to run uninterrupted. Interrupts can corrupt updates. If multiple updates queue, install in order to reduce conflicts. After reboot, verify success by opening the update history and confirming installed items. This ensures fixes applied. Then check drivers and essential services. Device Manager or System Diagnostics will reveal errors that need follow-up. If something malfunctions, try reinstalling the update, using the rollback option to revert, or booting into safe mode to troubleshoot without third-party interference. One key tip: if an update repeatedly fails, free disk space and run the system file checker before retrying. Often corrupted temporary files block.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.